Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add event to the calendar on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that we need to do is of course open the calendar. So let's go over here, Google, and then we have calendar. In order to add an event, over here in the bottom right corner we have this plus button, tap on it and then choose event. And now over here we have customization. We can set the title. Let's say I'm gonna type birthday. There you go. We can also select the time of the event. So if it's periodical, then we can select from which time to which time over here. And we can also set it to all day here. So we can tap on the slider in order to make the event appear for the whole day. We can also set the if the event repeats. So if it repeats every day, then of course we can do that. Over here we can set it to every week, every month, every year. We can also set it to custom, and so on and so forth. We can also add people over here if we want to by adding the contacts. We can add the location, we can add the notification, so if you want to be informed about the event beforehand, then you can do that over here. We can change the color, we can add description, and of course add attachments. After that, we can just press the save button in the top right corner, and then we have our event created over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.